I start by putting the already peeled and washed beans in the blender. Red bell pepper, some onions, pour in some water for easy blending, and an egg. Yes, the moi moi turns out nice when you blend with an egg. So I'm just going to cover this up now and blend until it is very smooth. The beans is perfectly blended now, so I'll just take it out now and transfer into a bowl. Add any seasoning of your choice, some ground crayfish, some salt to taste, some pepper, and little quantity of vegetable oil. So now I'm going to mix until it is perfectly combined. So I just transfer into some plates and add any filling of your choice. I'm using eggs. You can as well go for fish if that's what you prefer. I place them inside the pot. Pour some water into the pot and then you bring it to boil. This takes about 45 minutes to cook properly. And I'll just serve it up and have a taste. After all, the whole essence of the cooking is the eating. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.